Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you ride a Harley Davidson and you've ever seen the code P0261 pop up on your diagnostic tool, you've come to the right place. Don't let that engine light scare you. Today, we're going to break down exactly what this code means, how to diagnose it, and the steps to get your bike running smoothly again. I'm your CodeMechanic, and we're about to dive deep into your bike's fuel system. So, what is P0261? In simple terms, this code points to a problem in the electrical circuit for your front cylinder's fuel injector. The engine control module, or ECM, has detected a low signal. This could mean the circuit is open, there's a short to ground, or the injector itself isn't drawing the power it should be. Essentially, the electrical command to spray fuel isn't being properly received or executed by the front injector. This can lead to all sorts of issues you might have already noticed, like a rough idle, misfiring, poor acceleration, or your engine just not running right. Since only one cylinder is affected, the bike might still run, but it will feel very unbalanced and weak. First things first, let's locate the culprit. On most Harleys, the front fuel injector is mounted right on the intake manifold or throttle body for the front cylinder. It is usually held in by a clip or a couple of small bolts, and has a 2-wire electrical connector plugged into it. Before you start unplugging anything, give the whole area a good visual inspection. You'd be surprised how often the problem is something simple. Look for any wires that look pinched, frayed, or melted from touching a hot part of the engine. Check the connector itself. Is it fully seated? Does it look dirty, corroded with that nasty green stuff? Or even full of water if you've been riding in the rain? Sometimes, just unplugging the connector, cleaning it with some electrical contact cleaner, and plugging it back in securely can solve the problem. If the visual inspection doesn't reveal anything obvious, it's time to get our hands a little dirtier. The next step is to test the injector itself. For this, you'll need First, disconnect the electrical connector from the injector. Set your multimeter to the OEM setting to measure resistance. Now, touch the 2 probes of your multimeter to the 2 metal pins on the fuel injector. A healthy Harley injector should typically have a resistance between 11 and 15 ohms. If you get a reading that's way outside of this range, like near 0 ohms, which indicates a short, or a reading of OL for open loop, it means the internal coil of the injector is broken. In either of these cases, the injector is bad and needs to be replaced. Now, what if the injector tests good? This tells us the problem is likely in the wiring between the injector and the ECM, or possibly the ECM itself, though that's less common. We need to check for power and ground at the injector connector. One of the wires will be the power feed from the ECM, and the other is the ground. You can use a simple test light or your multimeter set to DC volts for this. With the ignition on, one of the terminals in the connector should have power. You can then crank the engine to see if the ECM is pulsing the ground side. An even better tool for this is a Noid light, which is a special test light designed specifically for fuel injector circuits. You just plug it into the harness connector, crank the engine, and if the light flashes, you know the ECM and wiring are sending the signal. If it doesn't flash, you have a wiring issue. If you've traced the wiring and everything seems intact, and your injector tested good, but the Noid light doesn't flash, you might have a broken wire somewhere in the harness, or a bad pin at the ECM connector. This can be the most time-consuming part of the diagnosis. You'll need to carefully inspect the wiring harness all the way back to the ECM. Look for any potential damage spots. If you find a broken wire, you'll need to repair it properly using solder and heat shrink tubing to ensure a solid, weatherproof connection. Replacing the injector is usually straightforward. Just remove the clip or bolts. Carefully pull the old one out. Lubricate the new O-rings with a little clean engine oil, and pop the new one in. So, to recap, P0261 on your Harley means a low signal in the front injector circuit. Start with a visual check of the wiring and connector. Test the injector's resistance. If that's good, check for a signal at the connector using a Noid light or most of the time. It's a simple fix, like a corroded connector or a bad injector. Take your time. Be methodical, and you'll have that V-twin thumping perfectly again in no time. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you out. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Harley tech tips. Ride safe.